Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian investment trader known as Fijian traders. This is Mr. Singh. NIO, ticker symbol NIO NIO. Not a day, great day, even though we had a great day yesterday, but on Wednesday, starting high of $6.27 was the high. We came and closed at $5.92, and my resistance sitting my support level was sitting at $5.86. Why did it happen? Why it was a pullback? But it was expected. Yes, folks, why it was expected. I'm going to talk on the technical side because this is a beautiful setup. A breakout is coming out. I am not promoting NIO. I am just talking on the technical side. And because the fundamental matches at the same time. So, with further ado, let's talk on the fundamental side. Folks, first of all, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. You guys been great. Always subscribing, always smashing the like button and turning on the notification and commenting down below. I love it. Keep it going. Keep that mojo going. NIO is going to be the long run. I'm also going to talk about my portfolio as well. 5 big investors betting on NIO stock. That is news today. That is on March 13. That came in after when the market go closed. It hasn't been a pretty past 1 year of EV, and its share nearly is over 30%. This decline comes with the light of EV war and the weak Chinese market. I talked about it in my videos on the recession, on what NIO's is high. CPI is so high in China. You can see how much impact on the real estate as well, and they are facing it. And US is doing it, but how we know how the CPI report came on Tuesday was a favorable one, but we know what is coming on May to all the way June on that. At the same time, NIO has delivered steady during the 2023, 160,038 vehicles up in year. So they are increasing it. We know NIO is struggling. Also, is their operating expense. Control their operating expense, and we are golden. So big bettors, like I said, are betting on NIO. And I am not a big bettor, but I'm very interested. So Ding expects, also on the same article, Ding expects NIO margin volume starting from Q2 of 2024 to 2020 forecast have volume annual growth up to 36%, which is an estimate of 30%. 5 big investors on NIO. Tracking the additional ownership is important. Of these last investors will provide a liquidity and support of the stock. Q4 of NIO have increased, so inside trading is going. Additional trading is so important, and why the big bettors are doing it. You buy the dip and you sell at when it is at the highest time on that. Also on NIO. So NIO 2024 model sees shorter wait times. This is a great. NIO has struggled last year when they are releasing it. It was a longer wait times. Now you can see ET5, ES7. The longest wait times is 7 to 8 weeks and 8 to 9 weeks. Beautiful. I love it. And the rest of it is only 2 to 3. ES8, ESC7 and ESC6 and 5 are only 2 to 3, means those cars are manufactured and can be delivered on time at the fastest pace. Also, NIO's Alpha News came out on their spy shot reveal. 2 on-camera spy photo model was ugly under NIO's second brand. So this is a second-handed brand that comes in, right? So I'm excited. This is gonna be a game changer. To go and watch out my last video that I had, they are opening about 56 stores, 56 managers they're hiring, and they are for dealing with their sub-brand cars. So as the managers for the dealership. So there's some exciting things happening with NIO. Granted, why NIO is not moving, because we know how much impact has in economy in China, but it's gonna be overturning it. You gotta brace it. I understand people are holding shares around at $20, $25, and they're suffering because it's been a while. These things takes time, folks, and it's a shift of sector, and it's happening, and why I like technical analysis so much with the Converse on the partnership on that. Also I'm going to talk about is what's is coming up is NIO, right? What is on the NIO on my portfolio? Yes, you saw my yesterday. My portfolio, this one was sitting about $15,000. I know I didn't cash it out because that is not my the goal on that. NIO, I still have 40,000 shares up hefty on those things, but I gotta be very smart if NIO drops tomorrow, which I don't expect it. Yes, folks, I said it, I don't expect it, and it's gonna making another higher highs, and then I'm gonna because I have a call option that expires on 2025, and it's up to $10 on that. And also my stocks are I have 40,000 stocks, and I have not yet. I don't know if I'm going to be adding it, but I want that momentum to do it. But my goal is to up to 60,000 shares, and the call options, I have hefty call options that is expiring on January. But and why did I bought it, right? Why did I bought my call option right now? And we're gonna discuss on that. So today, not a great day, absolutely on that. Markets did had a pullback today. All the big stocks, apart from even all the stocks had wasn't doing well. But look at the 5-day chart. We made higher highs. We went high of $6.30. Then we pulled back all the way low today and supported, right? So are we done with the uptrend? No, folks, we are not. This is just the start. We made higher lows, and we had this pullback all the way 630, 634. You can clearly see that 634 has been a massive support level. So what I'm going to do, actually going to bring my resistance right here. I know I said it at 86, but I'm going to bring it right up here, because time and time 630 area, we do struggle. So we're going to have it right over here. But you can clearly see that our moving average, it's a switch over on 1 month. And when it happened, and I did say we're going to have an uptrend, and we pull up and we'll pull down. Remember, we have a 200-day moving average. This bad boy was hard to break, and sitting is $5.86, and it's gonna we have this bounce back again, because people did sell off, and it's happened on the MACD. RSI is still kind of cooling off on that. We're gonna shift the gear. This is where I wanted to be very, very important to talk to you guys, and I told you we will have this pullback, because our 3 months crossover, the blue line, you can clearly see that when the blue line is down and the pink is up, that's my 200-day, means it is a downtrend. If you had the put option from $8.30, you had a massive gain, because it came all the way to $4.00. But we are having a crossover. The blue line, which is my 60-day, it is $5.92. And my pink line, which is my 200-day EMA, is sitting at $5.80. Means we had this crossover on 3 months, and we didn't have this. So we'll have this bounce back coming up. Yes, folks, we have this bounce back, and we're gonna cross that $634. Once we break it, it's none other than it's gonna be where I had my previous resistance, and it's gonna be sitting right over here at $6.60 and 63 cents, where I'm gonna have it. And then we're gonna go from higher highs and higher lows, because I am excited because of this crossover. Technical analysis don't lie. Even the MACD, it shows it's gonna have a quick reversal coming in. But when you had this beautiful crossover, oh my god, you are looking for an uptrend. And I did expected it to struggle, because you can clearly see that on the 6 months, the blue line, it is sitting, my pink line, it is sitting at $6.12. And we did hold it, but we couldn't stand for the last previous day. And the blue line is sitting at 500. I don't know why I'm saying 500. I wish it's at 500. $5.84. It's right here. But we are not having the crossover. Once this crossover closes that gap, it is another indication for an uptrend. But everything is for NIO is pointing to an uptrend. And now we're making higher highs. Higher highs, higher lows. And look at it, folks. Look at it. We have been doing it, this beautiful run. $4.78. Now we're in high of $6. We are making higher highs, higher lows, rather than we've been trading sideways and pulling back. So it's a shift of sector happening. We know how Tesla is doing. They have dropped to about $169, right? I'm about to go jump in Tesla. I already have not bought it. I sold it. I'm about to go. My target is about 145 to 150 range area for target for buy Tesla. I'm still invested on my Nevada. I'm still Maria, MARA. That actually I sold mine, but I'm going to back again on that. But NIO is the stock. It is a game changer stock, because it has a lot of potential. They have over 2,921 battery swap stations, and they are phenomenal growing on that. We do understand what they are facing on their manufacturing costs, but they're gonna figure it out in order to become profitable. A day that NIO starts having profitable on that, this stock is gonna be sitting at $50, and I'm 100% sure on that, because I've seen it time and time. Not my first rodeo. I've been trading it over 12 years, and it's my 13th year going, and I'm gonna see what I see with a stock like this. And I've been trading with NIO for 2018. So what are we gonna have for plan for this week's coming up is definitely going to test of $6.34. I won't be surprised why we're testing $6.34, and it is going to be tested by Friday and by tomorrow, because we're going to be making those high highs and higher lows. Granted, if a news comes in which does not favorable on China's economy, then it's coming down. But on the technical side, everything is pointing towards an uptrend, and I'm excited about it. Well, first of all, thank you for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification. I really appreciate you guys' support. And next video is coming on Saturday morning. It's gonna be updated and send out the recap of what we having on NIO and what are we looking for the next week heading on. I really love what I see right now on the technical side, and some good news on fundamental finally coming in from NIO. So thank you for watching. Take care.